Hello everyone, welcome to Daily English Conversation. I'm John, and I'm excited to help you master English today.
And I'm Olivia. Today we're tackling two small but important words that confuse learners constantly, some and any.
These words might seem simple, but using them incorrectly can make your English sound unnatural or change your meaning completely.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to use some, when to use any, and understand all the exceptions to the rules.
Before we start, please subscribe to Daily English Conversation. We make confusing grammar topics simple and clear with practical examples.
Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss our helpful lessons. Understanding words like these is essential for natural English.
All right, let's dive in. First, what's the basic difference between some and any?
Here's the simple rule that works most of the time. Some is used in positive sentences. Any is used in negative sentences and questions.
Think of some as indicating an unspecified amount or number. Could be a few, could be many, but we don't specify.
Think of any as appearing in negatives and questions. It means even a single one or at all.
That's the foundation, but there are important exceptions and special uses we'll explore.
Let's start with some, used in positive statements and special situations.
Main use 1. Positive statements with countable and uncountable nouns.
I have some friends here. Friends are countable. Some friends, an unspecified number.
I have some water in the bottle. Water is uncountable. Some water, an unspecified amount.
She bought some apples. Countable. Some apples. A few apples. We don't specify exactly how many.
We need some information. Uncountable, some information, an unspecified amount.
Some works with both countable plural nouns and uncountable nouns to show an indefinite quantity.
Main use 2. Offers and requests. Questions where we expect yes or want to encourage yes.
Would you like some coffee? Offering coffee, expecting or hoping the person says yes.
Can I have some water, please? Requesting water. You expect to receive some.
Would you like some help? Offering help, encouraging the person to accept.
Could I borrow some money? Requesting money, expecting a positive response.
In offers and requests, we use some even though they're questions. This is a key exception.
Main use 3. Suggestions and invitations.
Let's get some food. Suggesting getting food. Positive suggestion.
Why don't we buy some flowers? Suggesting buying flowers. Encouraging yes.
Shall we have some tea? Suggesting tea, expecting agreement.
Again, some appears in questions when we're suggesting or expecting yes.
Now let's explore any, used in negatives, questions, and special contexts.
Main use 1. Negative sentences with not.
I don't have any friends here. Negative, 0 friends, no friends at all.
There isn't any water in the bottle. Negative, no water, the bottle is empty.
She didn't buy any apples. Negative, 0 apples, none.
We don't need any information. Negative, no information needed at all.
Any in negatives emphasizes the complete absence, not even one, not at all.
Main use 2. Questions. Genuine questions where the answer could be yes or no.
Do you have any friends here? Genuine question. You don't know the answer.
Is there any water in the bottle? Real question. Could be yes or no.
Did she buy any apples? Asking without knowing. Could be yes, could be no.
Do we need any information? Genuinely asking if information is needed.
Any in questions shows we're genuinely asking, not assuming yes.
Main use 3. Any meaning it doesn't matter which one.
You can sit in any chair, meaning any chair is fine. Choose whichever you want.
Take any book you like, meaning it doesn't matter which book, choose freely.
Come at any time, meaning the specific time doesn't matter. Come whenever.
I'll eat any food, meaning I'm not particular. Any type of food is acceptable.
This use of any means no restrictions or all options are acceptable.
Now let's directly compare some and any to see the difference clearly.
Positive statement. I have some money. Unspecified amount, but you have money.
Negative statement. I don't have any money. Emphatic. No money at all. 0.
Offer request question. Would you like some coffee? Expecting or hoping yes.
Genuine question, do you have any tea? Real question, could be yes or no.
Positive, there are some cookies in the jar. Unspecified number, but cookies exist.
Negative, there aren't any cookies in the jar. None at all, jar is empty.
See the pattern? Positive equals some, negative equals any. Questions depend on type.
Now let's look at special cases with any in positive statements.
Any in positive statements means it doesn't matter which or all are acceptable.
Any student can join. All students are welcome. Doesn't matter which student.
You can ask any question. All questions are acceptable. No restrictions.
I'll help you at any time. All times are fine, whenever you need.
Any color is fine. No preference. All colors are acceptable.
This is different from the question and negative use. It's about lack of restriction.
Now let's discuss somebody, someone, and anybody, anyone.
These follow the same pattern as some and any.
Somebody, someone, positive statements, offers, requests.
Somebody called you. Positive statement. A person called.
Someone is at the door. Positive statement, a person is there.
Would you like to talk to someone? Offer. Expecting yes.
Anybody, anyone, negatives, questions. It doesn't matter who.
I don't know anybody here. Negative. 0 people known.
Does anybody have a pen? Genuine question. Does even one person have one?
Anyone can learn English. Meaning all people can, doesn't matter who.
The pattern is exactly the same as some and any.
Now let's look at something and anything, somewhere and anywhere, somehow and anyhow.
Something, anything, follow the same rule.
I need something to eat. Positive. Need food. Unspecified what.
I don't need anything. Negative, need 0 things, nothing.
Is there anything I can do? Genuine question. Can I help at all?
Somewhere and anywhere, same pattern.
I put my keys somewhere. Positive. In an unspecified place.
I can't find them anywhere. Negative, not in any place, nowhere.
Do you want to go anywhere? Genuine question. Any place?
All the some dash and any dash compound words follow the same rules.
Now let's discuss common mistakes learners make with some and any.
Mistake 1. Using any in positive statements when you mean some.
Wrong. I have any friends here. Right. I have some friends here.
Unless you mean it doesn't matter which friends, use some in positives.
Mistake 2. Using some in negatives.
Wrong. I don't have some money. Right. I don't have any money.
Negatives need any to emphasize complete absence.
Mistake 3. Using any in offers and requests.
Awkward in using any in offers. Would you like any coffee? Better, would you like some coffee?
Mistake 4. Forgetting that any can mean it doesn't matter which.
Any student can join is correct. It means all students are welcome.
Mistake 5. Using some in genuine questions.
Wrong. Do you have some questions? Right. Do you have any questions?
Unless it's an offer, genuine questions use any.
Let's practice with real-life conversation scenarios.
Scenario 1. At a cafe. Would you like some cake?
Yes, please. Do you have any chocolate cake?
Sorry, we don't have any chocolate cake left, but we have some vanilla.
Would you like some? Offer. Expecting yes. Do you have any? Genuine question. Don't have any. Negative. Have some? Positive.
Scenario 2. Shopping. I need to buy some groceries. Do you need anything?
No, I don't need anything. But could you get some milk if they have any? Buy some groceries. Positive. Need anything? Genuine question. Don't need anything? Negative. Get some milk? Request. Have any? Genuine question about availability.
Scenario 3. At home. Is there any food in the fridge?
Yes, there's some leftover pizza and some fruit.
Great. I was worried there wasn't any food.
Is there any? Genuine question. There's some. Positive. Wasn't any food? Negative.
Scenario 4. Meeting someone. Do you know anybody here?
I know some people, but I don't know anybody well.
Would you like some help meeting people?
Know anybody? Genuine question. Know some people? Positive. Don't know anybody well? Negative. Would you like some help? Offer.
These scenarios show how some and any work naturally in conversation.
Let's discuss the difference between some and any in conditional sentences.
In if clauses, we usually use any because the condition is uncertain.
If you have any questions, please ask. Condition uncertain. You might or might not have questions.
If there are any problems, call me. Condition uncertain, problems may or may not exist.
If you need any help, let me know. Condition uncertain. You may or may not need help.
However, if you expect something to be true, you can use some in conditions.
If you want some coffee, I just made some, expecting they might want coffee.
If you have some time later, we should talk, assuming they probably have some time.
The choice reflects your expectation level.
Now let's look at emphasis. Some can be stressed for special meaning.
When you stress some, it contrasts with others or emphasizes particular ones.
Some people like it, but not everyone, emphasizing that only certain people like it.
I've read some books about this, emphasizing it's only some books, not all or many.
Some days are better than others, emphasizing certain days, contrasting with other days.
Stressed some adds contrast or limitation to the meaning.
Now let's look at some and any with singular countable nouns, special cases.
Generally, we don't use some or any with singular countable nouns directly.
Wrong. I need some book. Right. I need a book or I need some books.
Wrong. Do you have any car? Right. Do you have a car or do you have any cars?
But there are exceptions. Some before singular nouns can mean a certain or unspecified.
Some man called for you, meaning a certain man, I don't know who.
I read it in some book, meaning in a particular book, I can't remember which.
This is more literary or formal. In casual speech, we'd say a man or a book.
Here are memory tricks to remember when to use each.
Trick 1. Some equals sure or sweet. Use in positive statements, sure, and offers, sweet or encouraging.
Trick 2. Any equals ask or absent. Use in questions, ask, and negatives, absent or nothing.
Trick 3. Remember offers use some because you're being friendly and hoping for yes.
Trick 4. Any can mean it doesn't matter which. Any choice is acceptable. Here are practical tips for mastering some and any.
Tip 1. Learn the basic rule first. Positive uses some, negative and questions use any.
Tip 2. Remember the key exceptions. Offers, requests, and suggestions use some even in question form.
Tip 3. Think about your intention. Expecting yes? Use some. Genuinely uncertain? Use any.
Tip 4. Remember all the compound words follow the same pattern. Somebody, anybody, something, anything.
Tip 5. Practice with real sentences about your life. I have some. I don't have any. Do you have any?
Tip 6. Listen to native speakers in movies and shows. Notice when they use some versus any.
Tip 7. When in doubt in positive sentences, some is usually safer than any.
Tip 8. Learn the it doesn't matter meaning of any. Very useful in positive sentences.
Let's create practice exercises to test understanding.
Fill in some or any. I need some help with this. Answer, some. Positive statement.
Fill in, I don't need any help. Answer, any. Negative statement.
Fill in, do you have any questions? Answer, any. Genuine question.
Fill in, would you like some water? Answer, some. Offer, expecting yes.
Fill in, there are some cookies on the table. Answer, some. Positive statement.
Fill in, there aren't any cookies left. Answer, any. Negative statement.
Fill in, you can choose any color you like. Answer, any, meaning it doesn't matter which.
Fill in, could I borrow some money? Answer, some. Request, expecting yes.
These exercises help you internalize the patterns.
Let's discuss some and any with different verb tenses.
Present. I have some friends. I don't have any friends. Do you have any friends?
Past, I had some money. I didn't have any money. Did you have any money?
Future. I'll buy some bread. I won't buy any bread. Will you buy any bread?
The rules stay the same across all tenses. Positive equals some, negative equals any, questions equals any, unless offers.
Finally, let's discuss how some and any relate to other quantifiers.
Some is similar to a few countable or a little uncountable, but less specific.
I have some friends equals unspecified number. I have a few friends equals small number specified.
Any in negatives is similar to no or none. I don't have any money equals I have no money. Same meaning, different structure.
Understanding these relationships helps you choose the right word for your meaning.
Let's do a comprehensive summary of everything we've covered.
Some is used in positive statements with an unspecified quantity. I have some friends. There's some water.
Some is used in offers, requests, and suggestions even though they're questions. Would you like some coffee? Can I have some water?
Any is used in negative statements to emphasize absence. I don't have any money. There isn't any water.
Any is used in genuine questions where the answer is uncertain. Do you have any questions? Is there any food?
Any in positive statements means it doesn't matter which or all are acceptable. Any student can join. Come at any time.
Compound words follow the same rules. Somebody, anybody, something, anything, somewhere, anywhere.
Common mistakes. Using any in positive statements, unless meaning it doesn't matter which. Using some in negatives. Using any in offers.
Key exceptions are offers, requests, and suggestions use some even in question form.
Memory tricks. Some equals positive, offers. Any equals negative, questions, doesn't matter which.
The pattern is consistent across tenses and with all compound words.
Before we finish, this is really important. Please subscribe to Daily English Conversation.
We create clear, practical grammar lessons every week to help you speak English naturally and correctly.
Subscribe now so you never miss an episode. Share this with anyone learning English.
Leave us a comment with 3 sentences, one using some, one using any in a negative, and one using any in a question.
Challenge yourself. Today, pay attention every time you hear some or any. Notice the pattern.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope some and any are crystal clear now.
Remember, these small words are everywhere in English. Using them correctly makes you sound natural and fluent.
Keep practicing, keep learning, keep improving.
This is Daily English Conversation. Don't forget to subscribe.
See you in the next episode.